Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber, a 2024 innovation designed to tackle those stubborn bathroom stains with ease. This upgraded scrubber specializes in deep cleaning mold and dirt, making it perfect for bathtubs, sinks, tiles, and more, while its unique remote control feature lets you adjust speed or power without bending, saving your knees and back. With 2 spin modes and 4 adjustable angles, this scrubber is versatile enough for any cleaning task, from stone tile floors to grout and grooves. The powerful 2,500 mAh battery charges in just 4 hours and provides up to 90 minutes of cleaning time, with an LED light to keep you informed of the remaining power. Equipped with 8 durable brush heads, including options for tubs, tiles, and even windows, this scrubber ensures no surface is left untouched. The user-friendly design makes it easy to assemble and store, and with a 2-year warranty, you can rely on its quality and customer support. Whether you're looking for a practical cleaning solution or a thoughtful gift, the Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber is a game-changer for any household. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.